Hi there. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to compress your match videos to upload them to the remote event hub. So right here I have a video that I have recorded actually a couple years ago. It's from the first robotics competition. And this is an uncompressed video. So it's actually very, very large. So if we look at this, this is a 1-minute video that comes out to be 777 megabytes. And if you're not very technically inclined, just know that this could take between maybe 4 or 5 minutes all the way up to maybe 20 or 30 minutes to download, depending on your internet connection. And this is a 1-minute video, so your match videos are going to be much longer than this. We want to make sure that they're small in size. And this is what typically comes off of a camera, a video like this, because you know the camera doesn't do a lot of compression. So we're going to walk you through how to compress this video so that it is smaller, easier to send around to the referees, and easier for the referees to download. So we're going to be using the VLC media player. VLC is an open source media player that you can download. I'll have a link in the description, and it's very easy to use. So I'm going to just go up into media. I'm going to press convert/save, and then I'm going to drag this file over here into the window. And then I'm going to go convert/save. Now it's going to say, what profile would I like to use? Now we are going to use YouTube HD, so video for YouTube HD. And we're going to say the destination, we're just going to call it match 1, because of course you're going to have a match video that you have. And then we're going to press the start button, and we'll display the output. Now, this is going to begin that process of compressing that video. Now this profile, YouTube HD, is 720p. And I know that in our information packet to teams, we've been telling teams to use 1080p. But we're actually going to be using 720p for this because we've realized that the restrictions on uploading stuff are too stringent. We need to use smaller videos. And 720p, it's very hard to notice the difference. I'm just going to pause this while it does its processing. All right, so the video just finished. I actually had to press the play button here to get it to do its processing. But here I have this match 1. So this is now 12.3 megabytes. So we went from 777 megabytes to 12.3 megabytes. We can open it up in here, and you can see it still looks pretty good. So this is how you can compress your videos easily and quickly. This only took about a minute or two to do, and you really should do this for all of the videos that we upload to the remote event hub. Thank you.